Hello everyone, off-campus hiring, Yes Technology L&T Siemens. Qualification B BTech, MTech, Diploma, Batch 2021-22. Let's talk about for Siemens. Siemens hiring for graduate trainee engineer, location Bangalore. The description are for 0 to 1 years experience developing software solution with various application programming language, take a strong intuitives and highly result oriented, good communicating within the teams as well as with the all the stakeholder, highly proactive and team players and many more. Now second job, Yes Technology. Yes hiring for trainee consultant, Linux networking plus Python job. Location Hyderabad. Primary skill overall 0 to 1 year experience in the IT industry. Should be completed B Tech, M Tech, computer science or IT background. Pass out between 20 2021 29. Knowledge, experience, JavaScript, basic Linux, networking concept. If you have knowledge of AWS, it is benefit for you. Responsibility end-to-end software design will involve work on database, working on back-end, front-end, documentation, and testing. A third job is L&D, last city bro. A junior engineer training, job for diploma. Diploma guys, you are waiting for job. Job is came. Fill this form. And knowledge of sales and marketing skill, proposal, support, work estimation, job description, support tendering manager and bid preparation, tender documentation, review along with evident data, corrigendum, clarification and update the tendering manager, support tendering manager in identifying document information required for bid preparation and many more. All this job description link you can get in our description box. You can fill your form from there. Thank you.